of the plane very clean. It is because it's coated with nylon. Without that, it will be a very dirty plane, with all the food, the smudges on it. So you look at that; those journeys were almost more than 50 years, and up to now, some of those technologies still works, and still variations comes about of doing this. Why I tell you this story? It's because the journey of innovation and science doesn't stop on one success story. It moves on. And I hope during the last 2 decades for the Philippines, we were able to prove that biotechnology is really something, or it's really a factor that you can use to bring up and modernize farming and agriculture. So, with the 20 years experience of responsible applications, responsible regulations, engagement that we have done, we have developed here in the Philippines a model that everyone is copying in the region. And we should be proud of it. No? We should not allow political to come in and destroy the things that we have gained. If you look at maybe the speakers to touch on the next generations of biotechnological development, and we're hoping some of these things continues on, and the government continue to realize that we can never give the farmer so much, and technology is the only way we can uplift farmers' life. The farmers are just buying the goods from the store, from the grain shop. But if what they buy actually make a real factor in the way they live their lives or their livelihoods, then we could have made a big success already. No? So I won't add to any more additional stories that I have. That in my little way of welcoming you and hoping that you get excited. No? Just like when we discovered nylon becoming a stocking for the women and said, this is where this market is going, but it actually headed in a different direction as we move forward and discover. And that's what's happening now in the biotech area. And we are moving more to those areas that I'm looking at it and I'm very excited. Gabi is here, Dr. Gabi. He has more stories to tell about what will happen, in the other field. So I invite everyone to have a good listen. Don't look at it as technical information or technical trends, but more towards where it will lead and how it was made possible. No? And really to honor our farmers, giving out this story, sharing this story. We will continue doing this. For CropLife Philippines, that is what we have been doing over the last more than 15 years. Trying to let the biotechnology story linger and continue to prosper in terms of the mindsets of our leaders. So thank you very much for being here. And